Let's test out this Miya Himi pink brush set, which comes in a cute package like this. This set contains 5 brushes. 3 oval brushes sizes 10, 8, and 6, a size 5 flat brush, and a size 4 round brush. But first, listen to the snap. Beautiful, isn't it? The handle looks like this. The weight is just fine, not too light or too heavy. Now let's see how much water these brushes can load. The biggest and smallest brushes are quite used now. I wanted to get to know a new material and use it for a minimum of 2 weeks before reviewing it, so they are quite stained now. The biggest one ran out of water when I painted the third line. Now for the size 8, first line looks good, but as soon as I painted the second one, it started drying out. The flat brush is pretty much the same. For the round brush size 8, I have to repeat that to make sure that I soak it real good. With the smallest brush, as soon as I reached the end of the line, it started drying out. This is pretty much understandable since they are synthetic brushes and not too thirsty for water. Next, let's see what brush marks we can create with each one, starting with a single stroke, thin strokes, applying heavy and light pressure, using the side of the brush, making abstract marks, and painting the smallest marks I could get from each one. As mentioned earlier, my favorite from this set are the oval size 10 and round size 4, the biggest and smallest brushes. And they're pretty good with portraits. I'll show you some snippets of me painting a loose watercolor portrait by the end of this video, so please stay tuned. Do I recommend this set for beginners? Well, yes, if you like painting detailed subjects like portraits and florals. And the set comes with different sizes and shapes, and that's good enough. This is also affordable for the price of $4.90 for 5 brushes already. And by the way, you can use my codes in the description box to enjoy discounts. Here are the different brush marks using the 5 brushes. Next, let's see if a brush conditioner can remove those stains from the brush. Since the biggest oval is already stained and it stayed like this for 2 weeks, I don't expect it to be back to its normal color. But look how dirty the water has become. But I'm pretty impressed that the other brushes were almost back to white. The only thing that I don't like with white synthetic brushes is that you cannot retain the white color. And it's understandable, but just a personal preference. And here are the conditioned and cleaned brushes. Now enjoy the snippets of a portrait demo using the biggest and smallest brushes from the set.